6502 Master Brake Flaring Toolkit covers all your flaring needs, including single, double, and bubble flares. The kit works with both standard and metric lines, handling sizes from 3/16 to 1/2 inch and 4 to 14 millimeters. The Master Kit includes a flaring bar for precise alignment, tube cutter for clean cuts, deburring tool for smooth edges, arbor press for consistent pressure, and various adapters for different flare types. Using a high-quality flaring tool will give you professional results, saving time and frustration. To get the perfect flare, cut the brake line to length and deburr the end for a smooth finish. Next, insert the line into the appropriate adapter and use the arbor press to create the perfect flare by turning the T-handle. Get the 6502 Master Brake Flaring Toolkit to upgrade your brake line repairs, so you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.